In this video, I'm going to dive into how you should be investing and changing your portfolio with the coronavirus. Hi everybody, welcome to Mediocre Money. This is my show where I dive into personal finance research, strategies, and that's you and I, learn how to become financially independent and live our best lives. #goals. So now for those of you who know me, I've been preaching for about 2 years now to start stockpiling away just a little bit of cash here and there. And this is exactly why we would stockpile away that cash. It's what Warren Buffett did, but he has obviously a lot more money to put away than I do. But when it comes to market downturns like this is an opportunity for you to take that extra bit of cash and to invest it for very low prices. However, that's not all that you should be doing. The markets have been pretty turmoil with coronavirus, as most people know. We've had days that have dropped 12%, 15%, and we've had days that have been up 8%. And I expect this to continue for the near future with overall a downward trend. That's until we actually manage to contain the coronavirus and get things back to normal, which we inevitably will. So because of that, for you, if you have a sound investment strategy and you're managing your personal finances really well right now, you shouldn't really be changing anything. You should continue to invest a little bit from your paycheck, put it automatically into your investment accounts, and keep buying low-cost index funds with it. So don't stop doing that. If you do have some extra cash on the side, this is a great opportunity to buy a little bit more. Or perhaps you want to increase your savings a lot. A lot of people are self-quarantined now, which means we're going out less, we're spending less money. So try to shovel away a little bit more cash now while the markets are continuing to turn down to help boost up your investments when we inevitably will go up. And that's about it. Honestly, the reason why I talk about personal finances is because it's not about what happens day to day, week to week, month to month. The type of personal finances that I personally use and what I like to talk about is personal finances that invest for the long term, invest for our well-being, that set us up financially to live whatever life that we'd want. And it's not predicated on hot trends like Bitcoin, weed stocks, the coronavirus, or short-term market declines. And if you're scared to invest in the stock market right now, that makes sense. But there's one thing that you should know. The feds in US and Canada have invested, I think, like $1.5 trillion into the financial system. And a lot of people wonder, well, why are they doing that? And the rates have cut as well. If you really think about why they're doing that, it's because the most powerful people in the world, politicians, very rich business owners, people of influence, they all have a lot of money. And most of those people's money is, yes, invested in the stock market or is somehow interlinked to the well-being of the stock market. So the people at the very top, the people in power, it's their entire goal to keep the stock market healthy and thriving. So even though the markets are turning down right now, which is fine, they will turn back up. And everyone who's in power is going to do as much as they can to help the market go back up again. So you and me, as just normal everyday investors, we should be taking advantage of this. We have the world's most powerful people looking out for us, and there's no reason that we should be scared of the stock market. If anything, we should be trying to invest more into it. So what am I doing personally? Right now, I'm taking cash that I was actually setting aside to buy and do more flips with because I do a lot of flipping items, and I'm taking that cash and I'm putting it into my investment accounts. So instead of this year, I was planning on buying a boat to flip a boat, but I'm actually going to put that on hold, and I'm actually going to take that extra cash I have and I'm going to put it in my bank account and then go invest it. And then besides that, I'm sticking with my same strategy. I'm going to continue to buy low-cost index funds and hopefully buy as much of it as I can while the markets continue to decline. What do you think about the coronavirus? What do you think you should do? Let me know in the comments below. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate the support. Thanks. Peace out.